Mercury is a planet. It's one of 8 planets in our solar system. Mercury is the smallest of these planets. It's a fascinating world of extremes. Mercury is a rocky planet. It's similar to Earth in some ways, but it's also very different. It has a very thin atmosphere. This makes it hard for life to exist. Despite its harsh conditions, Mercury is an important planet to study. It can teach us about the formation of our solar system, and it can help us understand other planets in the universe. Scientists continue to study Mercury today. They're learning more about its surface, its atmosphere, and its history. Every new discovery brings us closer to understanding this mysterious world. Mercury is the closest planet to the Sun. It orbits at an average distance of about 36 million miles. This close proximity means that Mercury experiences extreme temperatures. Because of its proximity to the Sun, Mercury has a short year. It only takes 88 Earth days for Mercury to orbit the Sun. This quick orbit contributes to its name, as Mercury was the Roman messenger god known for his speed. Mercury's orbit is not a perfect circle. It's more like an oval shape, called an ellipse. This means that Mercury's distance from the Sun changes throughout its orbit. At its closest point, Mercury is about 29 million miles from the Sun. At its farthest point, it's about 43 million miles away. These varying distances contribute to the extreme temperature fluctuations on Mercury's surface. Mercury is a small planet. It's only slightly larger than our Moon. Its diameter is about 3,032 miles, compared to Earth's diameter of 7,926 miles. Because of its small size, Mercury has weak gravity. Its surface gravity is about 38% of Earth's gravity. This means that you would weigh much less on Mercury than you do on Earth. If you could stand on the surface of Mercury, you would feel much lighter. You could jump higher and walk farther without getting tired. This is because the gravitational pull on your body would be much weaker. Despite its small size and weak gravity, Mercury is a dense planet. This is because it's made up mostly of iron and nickel. These heavy elements give Mercury a high density, even though it's a relatively small planet. Mercury has a very thin atmosphere. It's so thin that scientists call it an exosphere. This means that there's almost no air to breathe on Mercury. The lack of a substantial atmosphere on Mercury has several consequences. For one, it means that there's no weather as we know it. There's no wind, rain, or clouds on Mercury. Without an atmosphere to protect it, Mercury's surface is constantly bombarded by meteoroids and asteroids. These impacts have left their mark on the planet, creating countless craters of all sizes. The surface of Mercury is also covered in cliffs, ridges, and plains. These features were formed by volcanic activity billions of years ago. Today, Mercury is thought to be geologically inactive. Section 5. Ancient Astronomers and the Swift Planet. Mercury has been known to humans for centuries. Ancient civilizations observed its movement in the sky and recorded its appearances. The ancient Babylonians were among the first to track Mercury's movements. They named the planet Nabu after their god of wisdom and writing. The Greeks gave it 2 names, Apollo for its appearance as a morning star, and Hermes for its evening star manifestation. The Romans, known for their swift messenger god Mercury, associated the planet's quick movement across the sky with their deity, giving it the name we use today. Early astronomers faced challenges in observing Mercury. Its close proximity to the Sun meant that it was only visible for short periods during twilight. Despite these limitations, they carefully documented its movements, contributing to our understanding of the solar system. Section 6. Telescopes and Discoveries. Unveiling Mercury's Secrets. The invention of the telescope revolutionized our understanding of Mercury. Astronomers could now observe the planet in greater detail, revealing its phases and surface features. In the 17th century, Italian astronomer Giovanni Zuppi used a telescope to discover that Mercury went through phases similar to our Moon. This observation provided evidence that Mercury orbited the Sun, supporting the heliocentric model of the solar system. As telescopes improved, astronomers made more detailed observations of Mercury's surface. They observed dark and light areas, suggesting variations in the planet's terrain. However, the true nature of these features remained a mystery. Advances in photography in the 19th century allowed astronomers to capture images of Mercury, further enhancing their studies. These photographs revealed more details about the planet's surface, including its craters and other features. Section 7. Messenger's Journey, a closer look. In recent decades, space exploration has provided unprecedented insights into Mercury. NASA's Messenger mission, launched in 2004, has revolutionized our understanding of this enigmatic planet. Messenger, which stands for Mercury Surface, Space Environment, Geochemistry and Ranging, was the first spacecraft to orbit Mercury. It spent 4 years studying the planet, collecting data on its surface, atmosphere and magnetic field. The data collected by Messenger has revealed a wealth of information about Mercury. It has confirmed the presence of water ice in permanently shadowed craters at the planet's poles. Messenger also provided detailed images of Mercury's surface, revealing a world shaped by volcanic activity and impacts. The mission has deepened our understanding of Mercury's geology, history, and evolution. Section 8. Extreme temperatures, hot days, colder nights. Mercury experiences the most extreme temperature variations of any planet in our solar system. This is due to its close proximity to the Sun and its slow rotation. During the day, temperatures on Mercury's surface can soar to a scorching 800 degrees Fahrenheit, which is around 430 degrees Celsius. That's hot enough to melt lead. At night, however, temperatures plummet to frigid lows of minus 290 degrees Fahrenheit or minus 180 degrees Celsius. This extreme temperature difference is due to Mercury's lack of a substantial atmosphere to trap heat. Mercury's slow rotation contributes to its extreme temperatures. It takes Mercury 59 Earth days to rotate once on its axis. This means that one side of the planet faces the Sun for an extended period, while the other side faces away, resulting in prolonged heating and cooling. Section 9. The mystery of Mercury's magnetic field. Mercury possesses a magnetic field, which is surprising given its small size and slow rotation. The presence of this magnetic field is one of the many mysteries surrounding this planet. Scientists believe that a planet's magnetic field is generated by its core. However, Mercury's core should have cooled and solidified long ago, according to current models of planetary formation. The existence of Mercury's magnetic field suggests that its core is at least partially molten. This has led scientists to propose various theories, such as the presence of a lighter element like sulfur in the core, which could lower its melting point. Mercury's magnetic field is also much weaker than Earth's. This suggests that the planet's internal dynamo, the mechanism responsible for generating the magnetic field, is not as powerful as Earth's. Section 10. Ice on Mercury, surprising discoveries. Despite its scorching temperatures, scientists have discovered evidence of water ice on Mercury. This may seem counterintuitive, but the ice is found in permanently shadowed craters at the planet's poles. These craters are located in regions that never receive direct sunlight. As a result, temperatures in these craters remain extremely cold, allowing water ice to persist. The presence of water ice on Mercury is significant because it suggests that the planet may have received water from comets or asteroids in the past. This water could have been delivered to the poles and trapped in these shadowed craters. The discovery of water ice on Mercury has implications for our understanding of the distribution of water in the solar system. It raises the possibility that other airless bodies, such as our Moon, could also harbor water ice in permanently shadowed regions. Section 11. Mercury, a planet of intrigue and future exploration. Mercury remains a planet of intrigue and mystery. Its extreme temperatures, unusual magnetic field, and the presence of water ice continue to fascinate scientists. Future missions to Mercury, such as the European Space Agency's Bepi-Colombo mission, promise to reveal even more about this enigmatic planet. Bepi-Colombo, launched in 2018, will study Mercury's interior, surface, and magnetic field in greater detail. As we continue to explore Mercury, we gain a deeper understanding of the processes that shaped our solar system and the diverse worlds that exist within it. Mercury serves as a reminder that even the smallest planets can hold big surprises. Studying Mercury helps us understand planetary formation and evolution. It provides insights into the conditions necessary for life to arise, and it challenges our assumptions about the nature of our universe.